Now let us have some other dimensional formulae. Okay, suppose velocity. See, velocity is a vector quantity. We have to mention direction with it, but here we are considering only the value of it, that is called magnitude. Okay? Then it can be written as displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. But see, displacement is also one type of length, and time is t. So dimensional formula of velocity is m raised to 0, l raised to 1, t raised to minus 1. This is called dimensional equation of velocity. Okay, physical quantity with its dimensional formula. Equating both is called dimensional equation. Here in velocity, dimension of mass is 0, dimension of length is 1, dimension of time is minus 1. Okay. Now let us consider volume. We know that volume can be written as length into breadth into height or thickness, whatever we like. Okay? In that case, dimensional formula of volume equals to length into again length, because breadth is also one type of length, height is also one type of length. So it is L cube, can be written as m raised to 0, l raised to 3, t raised to 0. This is called dimensional equation of volume, and this is called dimensional formula of volume. Dimensions are, for mass it is 0 in volume, for length it is 3 in volume, for time it is 0 in volume. Okay, the powers we use are called dimensions. The form m raised to x, l raised to y, t raised to z is called dimensional formula. Equating physical quantity with dimensional formula is called dimensional equation. Okay? Now, next, that is acceleration. Acceleration. We know that acceleration means change of velocity upon time. Change of velocity upon time. So A equals to, now see, change of velocity, but we need only velocity. Okay, change is not a quantity. Okay, so velocity is a quantity, so we just discussed it is L by T. Okay, displacement upon time upon again time. So it is L by T square, can be written as m0 l1 t raised to minus 2. Okay, so this is, if I write like this, this is called dimensional equation for acceleration. This is called dimensional formula of acceleration, square bracket m raised to 0, l raised to 1, t raised to minus 2. And in acceleration, dimension of mass is 0, dimension of length is 1, dimension of time is minus 2. The powers are called dimensions. Now force. We know that force equals to mass into acceleration. Okay, so can be written as mass we write as capital M in dimensional formula, and acceleration we just discussed L by T square. Okay, that is easy way to remember. So it will be m raised to 1, l raised to 1, t raised to minus 2. So if I write like this, okay, this is called dimensional equation. This is called dimensional formula of force. And dimensions of mass is 1, length is 1, time is minus 2. The powers are called dimensions. The form m raised to x, l raised to y, t raised to z in square bracket is called dimensional formula. equating physical quantity with dimensional formula is called dimensional equation. Okay, let us discuss two more today and then you have to prepare. Okay, now time period. You know what is time period? It is time to complete one oscillation. Time to complete one oscillation or revolution. What you write? Okay. Time to complete one oscillation. So it is one type of time. Okay. So its dimensional equation is t equals to m0 L0 t raised to 1. Dimensional formula is square bracket m raised to 0 L raised to 0 t raised to 1. Dimensions of mass 0, length 0, time 1. And finally, frequency. Frequency means number of oscillations per second. Or per unit time rather. So it can be written as 1 upon time. Okay, so frequency dimensional formula will be equal to m raised to 0, L raised to 0, t raised to minus 1. This is dimensional equation for frequency, and the dimensions of mass is 0, L length is 0, t is minus 1. Okay, in frequency dimensions of mass, length and t are 0 and minus 1 respectively. Okay, we will meet tomorrow.